Guess what? We are back.
Yes.
We are back from Melbourne prison. Well, it's actually our home, but if you are in Melbourne, we are still in lockdown.
And just because you're in lockdown doesn't mean to say you can't enjoy a little tipple and make yourself a cocktail. So we're here to make you another one, but we're in a different location.
Yes, I decided that I think we should move. Show everyone the bar. It's lovely. See, look. You open it up and it's magic. All the alcohol magically comes out of there.
How about we tell the truth?
No, I thought it was
clean the kitchen.
Yeah, I didn't clean. Oh, I haven't cleaned the kitchen since
So anyway,
1962.
we're in our dining room today, but that's okay because the cocktail I'm going to make today is a 1-glass cocktail.
Yeah.
So really quick and easy.
Oh, they're the best one because nothing's worse when you're dying of thirst and waiting. Because I tell you, he's slow. He's a bit slow.
I'm not slow. So look, like always, you've got to start with a chilled glass. So Tom,
yeah.
Can you put some ice in the glass?
Yeah.
So
who doesn't like
the glass you want to use is either a highball or a hurricane style glass.
Hurricane?
Yeah, it's the shape.
Sweetie, the only blow you're going to get around here is... Sorry.
Anyway.
Yeah.
All right, so ingredients today, really simple.
Yep.
There's probably one that people may not have heard. So we need blue curacao,
Everyone has that stuff.
vodka, lemonade,
Yeah.
and
Oh.
blue azia.
A blue azia.
Now,
This stuff is magic. It's French vodka, cognac, ginger. It reminds me of when we were drinking absinthe
in France,
in
Paris.
but it was green. I know this is blue. Don't come back at me, but it has a very similar
It's
taste.
colourblind.
I will open. the
Anyway,
bottle.
look, you can buy this at all your really good local liquor stockers. So look, Dan Murphy's the
even the
most...
shit ones have got it, like Dan Murphy's.
Dan Murphy's not shit, they're good.
We
love
it's
them.
like a shopping centre. I want the old days. Like, let me. Oh, that smell.
I'll warn you now, this is the one drink.
Oh, thank God he's done.
All right, so let's start the cocktail.
Oh, drink that strong. That's really good. Actually, don't worry. Just put that in the glass. I'm happy. No, come on.
All right, so what we need to do is empty out the ice. There's no shaker today.
Oh, that's my favourite because then
So
we get to see
it's a
my titties
1-glass
move.
cocktail.
We get to see Mona Lisa's titties move. Is
Alrighty.
Yeah, okay.
First off, what we're going to do is grab a plate because what you're going to do
What?
is slowly drizzle the creme de cacao.
Cacao. No, oh no, that's cacao, isn't it? Yeah.
It's blue curacao,
Oh, okay.
not creme de cacao.
And what is that doing?
So what you're doing is just drizzling that round.
Oh, so that's what the plate's for. So
Yeah.
when he dribbles it, he does it.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, don't waste it. What do you waste?
Okay.
Hey, save that for later. I'll lick that.
So now that you've coated it, what you need to do is put some ice in.
Oh, okay. Ice baby. Ice baby. Do you know any more of that song?
No. Does anyone?
Yeah, it goes Hammer Time. Oh no, that's MC Hammer.
All right. Then you want to have a splash of vodka.
Yeah.
Now you can use
like
a
that.
measuring cup, but
Yeah.
it's easier just to free pour. Right. Then we put in the Alzia Blue.
Azia. I can't see it. It sounds like Middle Eastern, not French. Yeah.
And then finally, you just top off with some lemonade. Now, if my assistant had been helping me,
Oh.
I'd have a slice of lemon waiting.
Excuse me. Like this, and then you just cut it like that. Yeah. No, be very careful with sharp instruments
Exactly.
in the kitchen because oh, there we go. Oh, that's a nice looking lemon.
And all I want is just a little wedge.
Oh, a wedge.
A
Listen,
slither.
I agree with this lemon. Smell it. Smell. Oh, it's
Smells
nice.
like a lemon. No.
Oh, sorry.
You can do it a little more classier than that, but there we have.
When have we learned to make like fat men people, like using sticks or like round body people? I don't mean fat.
If you want to do art, then knock yourself out.
No, I don't do that. Oh, is this for me now?
And there we have a blue moon. So if someone moves their fingers out the road, you can actually see it. So it's like the colours of a blue moon.
There we go. So we're gonna talk to someone this week. You don't know who we're talking to. because I've secretly found someone's phone number, but it might give you a clue. It's called the Blue Moon because of, oh, is that a howling moon? Oh,
I think you better stop drinking that. Anyway, guys, don't forget, we'd love to see you make these drinks at home, so please post on our socials.
yes, Wayne and Tom, or Cocktails with Wayne and Tom. Hey, you can even go to Joy's website, because hey, we are doing this for Joy TV.
Exactly. Or go to Cocktails TV on our Instagram, but we'd love to see how you guys are going.
And remember, we shop in Victorian. We're trying to keep Victorian
Shop
economy
local.
open. Yeah.
All right, thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.
Sorry, I'm too busy. Bye.
See ya.